Hey guys, and welcome to the garage. Today we're going to take a look at the Nuremberg Toy Fair 2023. First show back since 2020. It's running from February 1st through February 5th. We're going to be taking a look at all the automotive model kits that were on display. Fortunately, this year was really kind of small. Only a handful of automotive kit companies were on hand. Nothing new was announced. Everything we're going to see we've already known about and was already announced. And we did get our first look at the new Gordon Murray Type 50 kit coming from Tamiya. We'll be taking a look at that later. New for Belkits, they had their new kits on display, and their new kits for March release was the Hyundai i20 WRC for the 2019 Tour de Course winner and the 2020 Rally Monte Carlo. The Opel Ascana 400 Rally Monte Carlo 1981 through 1982. No release date on that. Also down the bottom you can see the Ford RS 200 Group B Lombard Rally 1982. No release date on that one. And the Citroen C3 WRC Tour de Course 2018. Now we're going to take a look at Italeri. I don't believe Italeri was on hand. I cannot confirm that, but they did release their 2023 catalog within the last couple of days. So I thought I'd throw that in there for a little bit more meat in this video because it'd be really short if I didn't. So this is going to be all the new stuff added to the 23 catalog. Only one new automotive kit this year coming from Italeri. We'll start with the semis. We have the MAN 26321 Formel 6. These are all called back again, so being reissued. Scania 142H Canvas, Freightliner Heavy Dump, Volvo FH16 Rigid Box, the Scania R143M500, Scania S770 4x2 normal roof, that has some new parts in it. Volvo FH16 low roof, MAN TGX XXL, and Opel Blitz Classic. Now on to the cars. Porsche RSR 934, BMW M1, Mercedes-Benz 500 SLC. Looking forward to getting that one. I see that one be reissued. The Ford Escort Zake Speed, VW Golf Policia, the Land Rover 109 long wheel box 3-door, the Fiat 131 Abarth Rally, and Bugatti Royal Coupe. That was all 124 scale. Now we're going to take a look at the 112 scale stuff. And this is where the new kit's going to be. In 112 scale, the new tooling for this year will be the Lancia Stratos HF Group 4. That is the new kit from Italia for this year. McLaren MP4 2C Rosberg, the Lancia Delta HF Integral San Remo 1989. And that'll have new parts in that one. NuNu Models was apparently on hand as well. I could not find any social media postings or anything to confirm that, but Spot Model talked about it in their newsletter. So it sounds like they were on hand, and the only thing they mentioned was the Lotus Honda 99T team sponsored by Camel, the Monaco Formula One Grand Prix kit for 1987. Revell was on hand this year as well, and they had a pretty large display this year. They had both Revell Europe and Revell USA kits on display. All the new automotive stuff that is coming, there were no actual prototypes or anything on display. It was just either box art and our product cards. We're going to start with the James Bond S-Smart DB5. See there, they got the box art and the product card for that kit. BMW Z8 James Bond. The Citroen 2CV as well for your eyes only. And so we have the Land Rover Series 3 reissue, the modified reissue, the 3-door version coming. See, they're also reissuing the Mercedes-Benz Unimog Fire version, the fire truck. I'm looking forward to that one. I've always wanted that one. We have the reissue of the Volkswagen, the box art for that with the new body, and some of the other the Revell US kits. The Camaro's already been released. The Torino's coming later. The GTO up there. A couple of interesting kits here. Over there on the middle right, you see the Jeep CJ7. That says 124 scale, so that's more than likely going to be the old monogram tooling getting another reissue. Last time it was issued was in 2007. That one was not announced before the show that I recall seeing anywhere. And down there on the bottom right, A 1976 Chevy square body street truck. This was kind of interesting. The title doesn't make it sound like it's going to be stock. So really curious to see what this is actually going to be. And then the Ford Mustang, again for James Bond. And then the Mustang Boss, the 71 Ford Mustang Boss 351. And then the 1/8 scale Jaguar E-Type. And now finally we're going to take a look at Tamiya and what they had on display. And yes, they did have the Gordon Murray T50 kit on display. But again, no release date from them yet. But we did get a price from them. So now this is from Spot Model, so they're going to be their pricing. It's going to fluctuate a little bit depending on the region and what have you. But for US dollars, it is $65. And again, no release date on that one. The other kits Tamiya had on display was the Porsche 935 Martini in 1/20th scale and the Lotus Type 78 in 1/12th scale. So there we go. That is a look at the Nuremberg Toy Fair 2023 for the automotive model kits. Kind of underwhelming this year. That's okay. We still have the other hobby shows to look forward to later this year. We're going to put the link in the description to Italer's catalog, as well as Revell's catalog. They published their 2023 catalog a few days ago as well, their entire catalog for both Europe and US. I'll put a link in the description to that one as well, so you can check out those catalogs. So with that, thank you guys for watching.